Indija je ogromno tržišče, kjer se najdejo številne poslovne priložnosti za vsa podjetja. Za številna slovenska podjetja sem prepričana, da lahko najdejo veliko poslovno priložnost v Indiji. Res pa je, da je Indija ogromna država in je včasih zelo težko razumeti, kje začeti. In ravno tu je naše poslanstvo, da tem podjetjem pomagamo, da najdejo prave ljudi, prave poslovne partnerje, s katerimi lahko v relativno hitrem času dosežejo svoje prve posle. Slovensko-indijski poslovni svet, ki deluje v sklopu GZS, katerega osnovna naloga je, da pomaga slovenskim podjetjem pri vstopanju na indijski trg, ima v prihodnje zelo ambiciozne cilje, za katere sem prepričana, da nam jih bo uspelo uresničiti. Prvi cilj je, ki je že skoraj zagotovo potrjen, da v novembru minister za gospodarstvo skupaj z močno gospodarsko delegacijo odide v Indijo in na Šrilanko in da se tam sestanemo s poslovneži v Indiji. V naslednjem letu pa planiramo odprtje v Indiji pisarno, ki bo pomagala slovenskim podjetjem pri prvih korakih pri vstopanju na indijski trg.
There are a lot of opportunities that we can tap, but as you know, business always starts with people getting to know each other, a trust and bond being formed, and then it takes off. So I think there's a first step where a lot of businessmen have come on this trip. I think as you see behind me, they're all having B2B meeting. And I think as we get to know each other, something or the other clicks in some way and some lead starts and a business starts. And I think there are good opportunities waiting to happen. And I think good things will happen with time to come.
This is Alankar. So we represent a wildlife and nature tourism firm in India. So our main agenda or where we are looking for cooperation is in tourism. So we are working mainly with both the inbound and the outbound tourism, and we want to work closely with the Slovenian government, where basically we promote the inbound tourism in this country and also the outbound tourism into India. And last 2-3 days we were shooting a lot of brown bears and landscapes around Slovenia, which are really beautiful. And I think this will be a very big draw in India once we go back.
We've been related to a very good counselor of yours, Ma'am Daria, 2 years back in Delhi. And through Dr. Chandra Verma, our president, we've been having one-to-one meetings and we've been approaching her with the natural resources tapping of Slovenia, through which we came to know that there was timber, which is natural resource. Since I'm in the industrial packaging, manufacturing and packaging in India and in Dubai, last 15 years in Dubai, in the GCC countries, and more than 30 years in India, I believe there is a strong hold of Slovenian government as well as the public enterprises to put money in the natural resource and make your fortunes. Not only for the people, but for the country as such. So I suggest that the Slovenian-Indian cooperation should go in a major way to do something for the Slovenian people and for the country.